What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to locate and pull out your cabin filter on your 2022-23 Volkswagen Atlas. This one is a little bit of a challenge, but it's totally doable. You just take your time. You're going to want to open your glove box first because the cabin filter is located back behind the glove box door. Okay, so we have a damper right here that we're going to need to disconnect first, and all you have to do is grab it, push down on it. You'll see how it click down, and then pull out, and see how it disconnects right here. You're going to want to disconnect this guy, get it out of the way. Once you get it out of the way, we're going to need to lower the glove box, but there are these stoppers right here in each corner. You can see those squares. We're going to need to push these guys up to get the glove box around that. See how that let me have it here, and it's going to let me have it up here. This is kind of hard to do with one hand, so it'd be a lot easier if you had two hands, but you can see how that one's kind of up. Struggling here a little bit. All right, I gotta go back and do this one. All right, so you can see how the glove box just came right down right away. There's a good little view of the damper there. You got to be careful of this guy. You don't want to just pull it out and break it. That happens a lot of times with these Volkswagens. So right here is where the filter is going to be located. Now there's 3 clips. You got to push down to unclip, and usually these clips, when you first do this, okay, they are really hard to pull down. You might have to use a flathead screwdriver to kind of bend these guys down, okay? And having 2 hands is definitely something that you need. But you're going to push down on the clip and pry the door towards you. All right, now I might have to, nope, I got it. Okay, that one was already kind of loose. Someone's been in here before, but you can see these 3 clips. It won't be easy, just to pre-warn you. And you can remove the door, and there's the filter. Take it, pull it right out. This one's actually pretty clean. If you need to get one, I'll leave a link down in the description box so you can check it out if you want to get one. It just takes you right to Amazon. And when you do get your new one, you just replace it, reinstall it, just like you took this one out. These guys are nice and thick too in the Volkswagens. It's pretty nice. And then get your door. Make sure you put it back the right way. Slide this guy in. You can see these little tabs that goes in first, and you just click it on there, okay? Then you get your damper, make sure it's out of your way. See how it kind of wants to hit everything when you go to close the door, so make sure you get it out of the way. And then, so the stoppers, we're gonna have to push up on them and close the glove box door to get this thing to reattach. Okay, got that one. That one over there just went. All right, so then we just get the damper, hook it right up, lock it, close it, we're all done. Well, if the video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video.